Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. In this video, we're gonna see how to make $20 over and over again. This is not a old method, guys. This is a new method, and stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about how to make a $20 over and over again, guys. And this is a new method, and this is a legitimate way to make method and easy way to make method, guys. Just one step, you can make lots of money, $20 over and over again, guys. Don't waste your time. Let's dive into this video. Before going to this video, I like to invite to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment below if you like this video and what about the thought. I need inspiration, guys. Please support me, subscribe the button, like, share with your friends and comment, guys. Let's dive into this video. This website is the probably two website we're gonna see. The first website is the fiverr.com. You probably heard of. There is lots of jobs under the private fiverr.com. We're gonna see the one of the job that's the newest job, new method guards ever seen before in the YouTube or internet. This is the newest job with the two website. You can make a $20 over and over again, guys. That Fiverr is the website. That's a lot of job available right over here. You can post your job and make money online with this, guys. Just easy method, or you can do a high level method. There is lots of method available on Fiverr. You can make money, but in this video I only give only one method. That's a new method, guys. Not everyone else doing this because I found you for this. Let's find this how this method is working. Go to the graphics and design, guys. There is a storyboard. This is new one, guys. New method. There is anyone can talking about this method, guys. I talking about because I found you for, guys. This is a storyboard. Click the storyboard. It's directly take you the marketplace, guys. This is that storyboard. How's the people are making good amount of money. You see, guys, 123 reviews, 58 reviews, 9 reviews. People are making lots of money with this. Do you ask me how to I create? I don't know any skill of graphical design or Photoshop, anything like that. There is no need to graphical design or Photoshop design, guys. There is one simple way. Stay tuned for this. I show you in later, guys. In this video, stay tuned for that, guys. This is the storyboard. This is new one, guys. There is no there is no offer, guys. Do you see there is less competition? Do you come post, guys? That's immediately new method, guys. There is less competition, guys. I think more than a 25 post and reviews are lots of reviews, guys. Most of people are waiting for this storyboard covers, but none of the people are doing this, guys, because they don't know. I found you for you, guys. This is a new method. Don't be afraid of this. This is a new method. Do you see, guys? There is just a 24 gigs are right over here, guys. Just to see, you can come and post your gig on a storyboard. This is new method, guys. Just in 21 service available, guys. I say 25, but 21 service are available, guys. Just see, guys. 300 reviews, $10 and 300 reviews. It's almost $3,000 by just 25 frames in storyboard, guys. Easily do this, guys. I see how to do this in later this video. Stay tuned for this, guys. Don't skip any of things because you miss this. This is a key point, guys. Just 21 service. Click any one of the service. This guy has 300 reviews, guys. See, do you see, guys? 3 order in queue because there is less competition. That's only this guys had 300 orders in queue, guys. Just a storyboard, guys. It's easy to create. You need not to draw this because the customer draw you for. You can create a story like this, guys. There is easy simple way method, guys. Just a commercial film, you can do anything. Just I show you one simple method. You can make lots of money with this, guys. Do you see, guys? $60 premium, $20 standard. I think $10 basic, 6 frames only. $20 easy, guys. Just a storyboard, shading, coloring, just all, guys. Storyboard, So it's easy guys to make lots of money guys. With this is there is less opportunity right over on the Fiverr, but I found you there is lot of opportunity in Fiverr guys. That's a gig storyboard. Not everyone talking about this because that's a new method guys. New method. Immediately go and check this Fiverr account and create your own gig guys to make money. Let's dive into the final part of the video, how you can create the Canva, sorry guys, how you can create the beautiful storyboard animation easily. Just one step guys, just easily one step you can create the good animation guys. There is no need to download a paid software stuff like that. There is a free software, no need to install the software. This is online software. I think you probably think it of what the software is. I show you guys. This software is canva.com guys. This is the canva.com look like guys. Just to go and sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook or sign up with email. Just to sign up, easy, one step, simple guys. Easily sign up and go to browse, click design type CL guys, and it will take to the what you want device. Scroll down, search the storybook guys. I already found the storybook. Click, this is the storybook creator guys. There is a lots of template. You just paste the template right over here and create it just one frame with a 1 minute guys. 6 frames in a 1 minute. Just easy guys. Just you think, just create your dashboard. It's directly to the sign up process guys. Just easy as think. Wait it for guys. I sign up and come later with you guys. Wait for this. Okay guys, I create an Canva account for you guys. This is a storyboard dashboard look like guys. Do you see there is a lots of template for your storyboard guys. You can choose any one of from this. Just I can choose this one guys. This is a template look like. Just you can replace all of you thing guys. Just do any kind of crop or anything you can do with this Canva guys. You probably heard of Canva. You can also done the Canva filters guys, because Canva is the legitimate way to create a software with any paid. You can upload your photos guys, or you can get a free stock photo on a canva.com, or you can upload a photo of your own guys, text, background, lots of are here guys. Just to create an awesome storyboard and place it in your Fiverr account guys. This like this guy is making a killing amount with this guys. 300 order queue. Just take this as standard is $20. It's almost a $60 guys in a queue for just creating just a simple guys, just a simple storybooks line. You need not to create this because the customers gives you this photo. You did place this guys, just to place over here, and you can make lots of money with this guys. It's easy business method. You can make money guys. It's the new method, not everyone else talking about, because I found you for you guys. It's a new method, don't forget this is a new method. Take a quick action to make lots of money guys. Don't be sitting around like lazy guys. Take a quick action to make lots of money guys. That simulate, share with your friends, because everyone need a money, because this is a good quick to way to make money guys, because it's new method, new method guys. Don't share your friends guys, sorry guys, share with your friends, because everyone's to make money guys. I hope you this video helps you lot to make a side hustling guys, and see you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the like button, comment and share with your friends guys, because this is the new method. Share with your friends to make lots of money, even your friends to get to big business guys. This is little stuff you can make 60 or $100 a day, stuff like that. You can save this little amount to make lots of money with this guys to big business. Don't be panic, this is easy and new method guys to make money. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching Make Money Online. Peace.